YouTube? It's your girl Rachel, back with another video. As you can see, this is a wash and hair dry routine. I used Carol's Daughter. I think this month we've got Black Vanilla. Sorry, I had a phone call that came through, so I was like, let me just ignore that. Alright, so here I'm parting my hair. It got a little tangled. So I'm gonna just, before I part it, I'm gonna comb it out. I hope everybody is having a great week up in here. It's Thursday. Excuse my appearance. I just got out of the shower and I'm on day 2 of a water fast. So yeah, I'm surprised I got this much energy to film. So I was reaching over to get 2 hair bows. Basically, this is not a styling video. This is just basically what I do to dry my hair naturally. I don't want to put a lot of heat to it, so I usually don't straighten it. I actually sit and let my hair dry for a minute. But anyway, I basically parted half up, half down. It's uneven. Pay me no attention. Y'all know what I mean. Carl's Daughter leave-in conditioner, almond. Oh my god, that smells so good, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I love it. 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 And then I can't even remember what the name of that is. African something. It helps with the breakage, which I don't have a lot of. Then of course, dry my hair with the hair dryer. And it doesn't take me long to dry my hair this way. If I sit under a hair dryer, I usually have to sit for like 45 minutes to an hour. So if I go to the hair salon to get my hair done, I'm literally sitting under the hair dryer for like 45 minutes to an hour. Oh my god, that's a long time. I know. This is basically like 4 months without a perm. I think my last perm was before Christmas, actually. Yep. My last perm was before Christmas. Haven't had one since. My edges look rough, I know. Because like I was saying, before I just dried my hair, I actually sit with my hair wrapped up after I washed it. So. And I was going to record that, but I didn't know the best way to do it. So the next time I do this type of video, I will definitely find a way to record what I use when I wash how I wash my hair. So basically, I'm just drying my hair out. It takes a minute, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I'm gonna try to do more of these videos, like hair reviews and hair videos. So let me know like what you guys want to see as far as hair goes. Because as you guys know, it's been 2 years since I actually cut my hair. And I cut it really short. So I'll definitely leave an eye card to both of those videos, like when I cut it and then the update. I actually need to go get my split ends cut. I think I'm gonna do that next week or in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna just part the other side, put it back up in the bun, and do the same thing again. Conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then the African fried. And that smells so good, y'all. And then it's back to drying my hair. Here I think I didn't part it good enough. And I do that sometimes. And then my tongue be hanging out. Maybe you know mine now. Y'all know me. I'm gonna be me on camera. I'm not your normal YouTuber. I'm not gonna fake it. I'm gonna just you know, pretty much be me. You like it, you like it, you don't, you don't. And I always, yes, I'm always recording it in my parents' bathroom because that's where the best lighting is for me. So any video you see of me, yeah, I'm in my parents' bathroom. So just keeping it 100. Then here I'm gonna just do the other side, comb out, and you know the drill, leaving conditioner in there after you dry. Who is like Jersey Shore Family Vacation comes on tonight? I probably won't watch it till like tomorrow. I was excited to see that. Like I just want to see because like they're older now. It's just so weird. Like who wants to party? And well, technically I do. Even married with kids, I want to still have fun. But anyway, just finished drying this out. The next time I do this, I'll definitely do like a whole full wash, dry, and style routine. Because I did one of those videos, and I think it was like, I want to say a year ago? 2 years? I don't even remember. So because for me, because I don't like putting a lot of heat in my hair. Here I'm looking at my phone. Sometimes I get bored. I have a really short attention span sometimes. So I'm sitting here, I start looking at my phone. Now I'm just going through and finishing it up and making sure all my hair is dry. Can y'all believe the way, like, how straight my hair looks? Like, you would have thought I would have I've permed it. Nope, haven't permed it in 4 months. Yep. But yeah, I just go through and finish up. Make sure everything is dry. It is dry. And then I usually just go through my go-to half up, half down when I'm done type style. Or I'll leave it down if it's not hot. To me, it's hot today. So it's going up in the half up, half down, messy type thing. Yep, messy all day, every day. Peace. Love you guys. Stay pretty.